In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build website pages in HubSpot, a perfect guide for those new to the platform and marketers eager to craft engaging digital experiences as we step into 2025. You may be wondering, why choose HubSpot for your website? Well, one of the standout features of HubSpot is its built-in CRM and marketing tools. Everything works together seamlessly, making it a powerhouse for integrated digital marketing. Plus, it offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor teamed with hundreds of themes, so you don't need to know a lick of code to create a stunning website. For busy professionals, the platform's AI tools help speed up content creation and design, giving you more time to focus on strategic tasks. Now, let's dive into the process, which is broken down into 4 easy steps, from getting started to publishing your page. First, you need to start your site by picking a theme. Begin by signing up for HubSpot. Even with the free plan, you have the capability to build and customize your site effectively. Once you're in, navigate to Content and select either website pages or landing pages, depending on your needs. When prompted, choose a theme or template that resonates with the style and tone you envision for your site. Next, it's time to build your page using the drag-and-drop editor. This intuitive tool allows you to easily add various elements such as images, text, buttons, forms, or any other modules you might require to communicate your brand's message effectively. Customizing your page is simple. Adjust fonts, alter colors, and refine your layout to match your brand's aesthetic. Everything is visual and intuitive, ensuring you can see your changes in real time without hassle. Moving on, it's essential to set your page details and optimize it for SEO. Click on Settings in the editor to give your page a distinctive identity. You'll need to name your page, which is visible to users, and configure the page's URL slug, like About Us or any other relevant identifier. Don't forget to add a meta description, an aspect that's vital for SEO as it helps search engines understand the content and purpose of your page. Depending on your plan, set your page's visibility, whether you want it public, password protected, or gated. To ensure your page reaches your target audience effectively, use the Optimize tab where you can view SEO suggestions and link your page to topic clusters. Finally, once your page is set up, it's time to preview and publish. Click on Preview to see how your page displays across different devices like desktop and mobile, ensuring a seamless user experience. When everything looks perfect and you're satisfied, you can choose to publish immediately or schedule it to go live at a later time that suits your marketing strategy. By following these simple steps, you'll have a polished, professional website up and running in no time, enhancing your digital presence and reaching your audience effectively. Thank you for watching.